Welcome to our MailChimp tutorial. In this video, we'll walk you through the key features of MailChimp, helping you get the most out of your email marketing efforts. Whether you're new to MailChimp or looking to refine your skills, this tutorial has you covered. Let's get started. First, let's get familiar with MailChimp. If you haven't already, head to MailChimp.com and sign up for a free account. Once you've signed up and logged in, you'll be greeted by the MailChimp dashboard, your central hub for all email marketing activities. Next, let's set up your audience. Click on the Audience tab. Here, you can create and manage your subscriber lists. To create a new list, click on Add Your Contacts, then you can enter your audience details and save. This is where all your subscriber information will be stored. To import contacts, click on Add Contacts and select Import Contacts. You can upload a CSV file, copy and paste from a file, or integrate with other platforms to sync your contacts automatically. Segmenting your audience allows you to target specific groups with tailored emails. Click on View Contacts under your audience. Then create a segment. Here, you can filter your contacts based on various criteria such as contact details, demographics, behaviors, or engagement. For example, you can create a segment for customers who have made more than 3 purchases in the last month, belong to the concrete group, have specific name or address. This helps you send more relevant content to different groups. Now, let's design your email campaign. Click on the Campaigns tab and select Create. Then choose Regular Email to get started. MailChimp offers a variety of templates. Select a template that fits your campaign style. Once selected, you can customize it using the drag and drop editor. Add your logo, images, text, and buttons to create a visually appealing email. Automation saves time and ensures timely communication with your audience. Go to the Automations tab and select Customer Journeys. Choose a pre-built journey or create your own. You can set up automated workflows like welcome series, abandoned cart reminders, or birthday emails. For instance, a welcome series can automatically send a sequence of emails to new subscribers, introducing them to your brand and products. After your campaign is sent, it's important to analyze its performance. Click on the Reports tab to view detailed analytics. Key metrics include open rates, click-through rates, bounce rates, and unsubscribes. For example, open rates show the percentage of recipients who opened your email, while click per unique opens rate indicate how many clicked on the links within your email. Use these insights to refine your future campaigns. Email testing helps you optimize your emails by comparing different versions and checking for errors. When creating a campaign, select Send a Test Email in the upper right corner. You can check different subject lines, content, and others. You can also check if the information in the email footnote contains all the necessary elements. MailChimp integrates with various tools and platforms to enhance your email marketing efforts. Go to the Integrations tab and connect MailChimp with your e-commerce platform, CRM, or social media accounts. For example, integrating with Shopify allows you to sync customer data and automate product recommendations in your emails. This integration ensures your email campaigns are always up to date with your latest products and customer behaviors. And that's a wrap on our MailChimp tutorial. We've covered the essentials to get you started with audience management, campaign creation, automation, and analysis. With these tools, you're well on your way to creating effective and personalized email campaigns. Happy emailing! If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more tutorials. For more information or personalized support, feel free to contact us through our website or social media. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.